How to share your Instagram post to Snapchat story. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Instagram on a device. Then tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now simply find your post and tap on it. Then tap on the send icon and tap on copy link. Then go back to home screen and open up Snapchat on a device. Now click a snap. Now tap on don't allow. Now tap on the link icon. Now paste the link here and tap on search icon. Now simply tap on attach to snap. Now adjust the position and tap on stories. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.